Hey everybody, I'm Justin Rondo and I'm the general manager here at Digital Marketer, and we've been getting a lot of questions. Specifically, you can read it right here, it's pretty big. Why isn't my page converting? And I'm going to cover that right now, but before I do, make sure to stick around to the end of this because we have this great 15-point landing page audit that you're definitely going to want to check out that covers more than these 4 things I'm going to cover right here. But if you've ever asked yourself, why is my page not converting? One, you're not alone, and it actually comes down to 4 main categories. You have your offer, your ask, the trust factors, and your visual hierarchy or priority. I wrote priority because I don't know how to spell hierarchy. Ugh. Okay, so you can see here some standard kind of wireframes of a page, and what this does is it breaks down above the fold and answers all of these questions. So you have an image or video that's going to break down the articulation of your offer. You want to make sure you're clear as day with what you're trying to get out there. So when we do things, we don't want to start really cute and say like, oh, hey, we've got, like end boring marketing. Like we don't want to say that in our headline, in our videos, or in our images. We want to make sure that we're being absolutely clear with our offer. So you have to make sure you have clarity there. So what is it? So in this case, I said stick around for the 15-point page audit. That's what our landing page will actually look like. We're not gonna be like, hey, never have a boring landing page. We're just not gonna do that, right? So here is where it all lives between articulating your offer. These are gonna be 2 ways to do that, one with words and one with visuals. Then you wanna have some supporting copy down here. That's going to be like, here's why you want this. And benefit-rich copy is key. You don't want to just say, hey, this is what this is. You want to say what you'll get out of it. And then you move to the next point, the ask. All right. You can't just put stuff out there and expect people to take an action. You also can't hide the ask later on. Be forward with it. Say, hey, click this button to do what, right? Don't just say like submit or next or anything like that. Like get your whatever you're trying to show off there. Then you want to implement trust. The standard way to do this is with a trust bar. People will be using things like logos or testimonials or those types of things. It's still a pretty easy way to do really anything there, but you want to make sure when you have any sort of trust that it actually, is verifiable. So don't just put like a quote of somebody because you can make those up. And then also make sure that it's relevant. We've seen trust icons on landing pages that were actually more like trust icons you'd have in a cart. And then people actually think they're about to buy something, and you don't want that. A confused visitor is generally one that doesn't convert. And then priority. Everything here kind of flows. You can borrow authority with an image of a person or a video of a person to get people to pay attention. Next, they're going to go here, then they're going to go down here. So they'll be paying attention to the page and flowing through like they'd kind of work on any style page. That's why you see a lot of different page templates that look alike, because generally what people are used to seeing is better. And finally, kind of close this thing out, you want to make sure your mobile experience doesn't suck, right? You want to make sure that you're, making sure you're being clear on your offer, you have the right visual hierarchy there, and you have the ask front and center, right? You want that front and center. So if you really want to dive deep into this, we have a 15-point landing page audit. And all you have to do is click the link below, and you're good to go.